In this video, I want to explain about the Red Rhino electrical estimating software proposal. Okay, that's a mouthful. But the proposal is the deliverable that you deliver to your customer to sell the job. So you want to make sure that you explain what is included in your price, what's excluded from your price, and then the qualifications. Let me show you more. Now I'll scroll up and down on this just real slow, but this is really our proposal builder here. This is where you build your proposal. Let me just explain it. At the top, it has the project name with the address, and it has the customer's name here. We just put sample customer, and it shows a small description or information about the project. Let me scroll down a little bit here. Now the line items, it shows the price over here. This price on this estimate is $49,789. Now on this screen, I blew it up a little bit bigger so you can see this. So this estimate has what's called templates or boilerplates that you can create. And let me explain more. This estimate has, or rather a proposal has, inclusions typed in. You see it shows price includes the following as per plans and the date of the plans here, okay, and what plans. But I'm just kind of showing you an example of a good proposal that explains exactly what's included in your price. Now, these were all typed in this proposal. Again, I'll show you where the boilerplates or how those work later. But see, it shows it includes one 3-pole 225 amp breaker installed in what panel, and so on. It shows 225 amp 42 circuit 277 480 volt panel. Again, the purpose of the proposal isn't just to explain your price, but you want to kind of sell it. Your proposal should look professional to sell the job. So when you just write on a paper bag and send a proposal, that's a joke, of course, but if your proposal doesn't look great, your customer or potential customer might think that your work is sloppy, okay? So you want to have it orderly, and that's what Red Rhino proposal does. It makes you look professional. So scrolling down again, this just shows what was included in the job. Now I'm going to go on to exclusions. Now let me explain this. The exclusions are in boilerplates or templates where in our proposal menu you can just go in and check boxes and input or import these exclusions. Okay, HVAC control wiring excluded, plywood backboards, temporary power light. Now let me go on. The qualifications are also in templates. Now you can create your own. We start you out with a few of them, but you can type your or create your own. Now this is what makes it powerful. Notice all work performed during normal working hours. Okay, these are qualifications, quote, qualifying the job or what's included in your job. Owner is responsible for replacing existing main and load breakers that fail to turn on or reset. Have you ever been on a job where you went and shut off a circuit breaker and it wouldn't turn back on? Well, it's good to include that in your qualifications here, that if it doesn't turn on, it's not your fault, basically. And power outage will be required for installation of circuit breaker hardware. Now, again, the purpose of this video is to show you this proposal and how it looks professional. Okay, I just made it back to normal size. Now I want to show you a preview of it. Now I haven't downloaded the logo in this one, but let me just click on preview here. Now this is what the Red Rhino proposal looks like in a preview. You can print this out, you can email it, or you can create a PDF format to email it. So it shows the proposal with the information. Now if I would have downloaded the logo, it would go above the word proposal here. Scrolling down, notice it shows the total price here, and it actually can become a contract. See, it has a place for you to sign, for your customer to accept. Okay, now again, it shows the price again here, and your customer's signing right beside the price. That's important. They can't say they didn't know what the price was if they sign next to it. And then it shows the inclusions, exclusions, and qualifications. Okay, again, this is a print preview of it. So that's what I wanted to show. Just explain to you that Red Rhino has a format for a proposal for you. It makes you look professional. Okay, that's all for this video.